So this tells you what the categories are, and this tells you that if you were born in Kenya, in other words, not born in China, India, Mexico, the Philippines, it tells you that you're going to qualify and you are getting to the front of the line today if you apply before, say, in this case, before June 8th of 2011. So that means that there's been a 2-year wait for people who are getting green cards who like Doris. So basically, you would tell Charles and Doris that the line you're going to be in is a line where they're now giving out green cards to people who applied 2 years ago. So this is a bit, but it doesn't necessarily mean that if you apply today, you'd get a green card in 2 years, because it depends on supply and demand over the next 2 years. All it really means is that people getting green cards today waited 2 years to get them. So it is like going to a restaurant and saying, how long do I have to wait? And the host says, we're now seating people who've been waiting for 2 years or 20 minutes or whatever, right? It doesn't necessarily mean you're going to be waiting 20 minutes. I just want to maintain that as a concept. And so this is the reason why. So let's look at the Philippines. If you are married to, if you're born, it's based on country of birth of the immigrant, of the intending immigrant. So it means that if you are a brother or sister of a U.S. citizen and you were born in the Philippines, you are now getting your green card if you applied in November of 1989. This is a really long line. Here's what the Senate bill would do, although there's a lot of details here. What the Senate bill would do is it would actually treat spouses and unmarried daughters of permanent residents the same as immediate relatives. So that would be a really big deal positively for families of green card holders like Charlie and Doris. On the other hand, the Senate bill would eliminate this category for brothers and sisters. So it's a trade-off, and there are other things going on, but those are really quite major things, and that's why I have the asterisks here. It's going to also constrict the daughters and sons and daughters of U.S. citizens, for example, that have an age limit of 30. But the basic idea is to try to reconfigure what's going on with families.